Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. So let's get started. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Then you can press the crown button to open the menu, and now you can press and hold on one of the icons in the menu, then tap on Edit Apps. Now you should see the names of the applications, and also some of the applications, as you can see, will have this minus icon on them. That means that you basically can remove them. And to remove the app, you simply tap on it, then tap on the checkmark to confirm, and the app will be removed from your watch. You can also uninstall applications a different way. You can basically open the settings, go to apps and notifications, then go to app storage. And here you can look for the application you want to remove. And once you find it, you can simply tap on it. Let's see if we have anything that can be removed, because not every app is removable, unfortunately. What I mean by that, basically, if I let's try to remove weather, you won't have the uninstall button right here, basically. But I'm looking for notes, and I can't really find them. There's quite a lot of apps, as you can see. Welcome to Wear OS. Oh, here we have it. Keep notes. And this app is removable, so you will have this uninstall button right here, and then tap on the check mark, and the app will be removed. Okay, and basically that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.